Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Chase tax form online. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who need their tax forms when it comes to tax season. So be sure to follow this video step by step in order to learn how to find Chase tax form online. So what we're going to do first is go into our Chase account, and I'm going to show you numerous ways to actually access your tax forms. So the first way is by clicking on this Statements and Documents button. However, if you don't see the Statements and Documents button, it might be to the right. But if it's still not there, you want to click on this plus icon and then scroll all the way down to where you see Statements and Documents. So let me actually show you what that's going to look like. So if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see this button called Statements and Documents. You could actually click on this plus icon so that it's hyperlinked or basically hotkeyed towards the top of your search now, or towards the top of your Chase app now. So as you can see, Statements and Documents is now there. So go ahead and click on Statements and Documents. And then from here, you want to click on Tax Documents. So Tax Documents, this is where you want to go ahead and click on the account in which you want a tax document for. So from here, this is where you're going to see your tax documents depending on the year. So I currently don't have any tax documents to actually show you, but if you do, the tax documents will appear within the respective year. Just go ahead and actually click on it and then upload it as a PDF. Now, I do want to show you one more way to actually go ahead and see your tax documents. So you can click on the upper right-hand profile icon, and then from here, scroll down to where it says Statements and Documents. Now, this is basically the same window which you reached earlier in the video. So just go ahead and click on Tax Documents. And then from here, you just want to follow these same exact prompts. So you just click on, let's say, the checkings account that you want to have a tax document acquired for. And then from here, once again, it's organized by year. So that is how to actually go ahead and find your Chase tax form online. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.